Sparky Sparks here. Well, this morning I'm going to hear and learn all about SEINT Makeup. So if you follow me and you've been following me for a bit, you probably have noticed my makeup has changed maybe a little bit, maybe not at all. So I'm learning about it today. I've signed up to be a distributor, so I'm excited about that. So I'll be able to share my makeup tips and products with you. So it's very exciting. I love the ease of the makeup. It comes in a palette, which I'm going to show you later. So stay tuned for part 2. Then I also love the double-ended brushes. So as I'm putting it on, I can then just flip the brush and then blend or whatever. So these are some of the colors that I have on. You can tell me what you think. These are a little bit darker. The shades in the eyes are purpley. So I felt like a purple mood today with my red hair. And this is Show Stopper by Raquel Welch in Fiery Copper. As you know, I love Fiery Copper. So my new favorite over Hazelnut. Anyway, hope you have a great day, and I will be back with part 2.